my cutie. I hope you're enjoying yourself. If you're watching this later, this video is me eating you, specifically swallowing you whole. But if you're watching this when I post it, well, you and I are still talking. Anyways, enough of all that. You're so cute like this, you know that, baby. I'm never ever going to let you out of my stomach. You'll just be sitting there helpless as the tight walls of flesh constrict you, making it unable for you to move. You can't even struggle. Not that you would want to, of course. You love me in there, don't you? Why don't you put a finger in your pussy just so you know what it would feel like? Just imagine that. Tight walls constricting all around you, all the time. I wouldn't be surprised if you came just because of that. Just from being in my stomach. I wouldn't be surprised. You're so well behaved, darling. Do you want to go in already? So cute for me. Don't worry, as soon as I can, my darling, you'll go right in there. I mean, we don't even have to stop at the stomach, do we? Theoretically, could go back in my pussy, too. I bet you'd love that. Such a good little slut for me. Don't be afraid to go absolutely mindless. The only thoughts in that pretty little head of yours should be of me. And me absolutely devouring you. You're doing so well for me, baby. Keep it up and soon I actually will eat you. I hope you enjoyed this, my darling.